Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech and Travel, and today we're gonna learn how to set up Maven with Java. So the first step is to download Java. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to Google Chrome, and as you can see, you can have many different versions of Java. So as many as versions of Java you want, you can install it. So for me, what I'm going to do, I'll go and I will download Java 11. If you are in Linux, you can download the Linux versions. If you have macOS, you can download macOS. If you are in Solaris, you can download Solaris. If you want Windows, you can download the Windows installers. So because I'm using a Windows machine, so I'm gonna download the Windows installer. So then the next step. So next step is to install Java and set Java home and Java bean path. So for that, what you have to do, first you have to go to your download folder where you downloaded your Java, then do the right click and run as administrator. So once you start running the Java administrator, it will start installing Java 11 on your machine. As you can see, my laptop has prepared to install the Java. So it will show you the prompt dialog box. So once it shows you the prompt dialog box, you can click next. And it will show you on which path you can install Java. So either you can change the path or you can just choose the default one. So for me, I will choose the default one and I will continue next. So as you can see now, my system had started installing Java in my destination directories. So as you can see now, the Java is installed and I can close it. But for that, we have to know if the Java is really installed. For that, we have to go to our PC. We have to go to our C drive and program files. And inside the program files, you can see there's a folder called Java. As you can see right now, we have the jdk-11. The one we installed, the folder is already created. So in Java, so as you can see, the next step is to set the Java bean path and Java home, right? So we're gonna start from the Java home. So what is Java home? Java home is basically where we install the Java. So basically, if you see Java jdk-11, that's the place where we have it is Java home. So basically, this is the path we need to set as a system variable as Java home. So how to find a system variable? You can go to your system and try to edit the system variable, and you can see there is environment variable. You can click environment variable. Then now, as you can see, I have the Java home already. If you do not have Java home, so what you have to do, you have to create a new, then just create Java home, then you write your Java home path, then you click OK. Once you click OK, you had set up now the Java home. So now the next step is to set Java bean path. So how can you do that? To set the Java bean path, you see you have to come to a program file Java jdk-11, and you can see inside jdk-11 you have bin folder. So basically this is the Java bean path. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to same system environment variable and you have to look for a variable called path. So when you see a variable like path, you click edit. Then you can add your Java bean path as a new. You create new and you set your Java bean path here. But for me, as you can see, I already have it. I don't gonna install the Java bean path. So basically, that's how you set up Java. So because for me, I'm gonna click cancel because I already have the Java. So now we have to verify if the Java is already installed. So for that, you can open your command line or you can open your PowerShell. So whatever you're comfortable. So for me, I'm just going to run the command line and run Java versions. When I run Java versions, as you can see, I had installed Java 8, so you can see my Java versions, right? So now the next step is to set up Maven. How to set up Maven? So for that, we have to download the Maven, and Maven is a product of Apache. So what you have to do, you have to go Maven website, you have to click download, and once it comes to download, you're gonna download this bin zip archive. It's a zip file, and to install Maven is very simple. So what you have to do right now, you just go to, after downloading, go to your download, unzip this your Apache Maven, extract all. After extracting, you will be having your Maven folder. As you can see, you have the Maven folder. So you will copy the Maven folder. Then you can go to your PC, C drive, program files. You can directly copy it here, or because I like to organize things in a better way, so in future I can handle. So I created a folder called Maven. Inside the folder, I had pasted that folder. So the setup of Maven, it will follow the same process. So first of all, we need to set Maven home and Maven bin path. So to do that, as you can see, we come inside program files, Maven, Apache Maven. So till here, this is called Maven home. So Maven bin path means inside the Maven home, there is a bin folder. If you go inside, the Maven bin path is still here. So now what you have to do, you simply again have to open your system variable. As you know that last time I opened using the system variable like this. Also there is another way we can open your system variable. So for that, what you can do, you can just click this PC and you can click here properties. So once you click properties, you should have the advanced system setting. You can see I can access also the environment variable. Both are the same way. You can try a search edit system variable or advanced system setting. So right now what you have to do, you have to go to environment variables. So same way you set Java home. We're gonna set Maven home. So we'll just create new. We give the variable name Maven home. Then we set the Maven path. Sorry, I pasted Java bin path. Let's copy the Maven path. We go Maven here. So now this is the Maven path. So I will just paste it here. Then I click OK, because for me I already have it. I don't gonna click OK. I'm gonna just cancel. So now the next step is to set the Maven bin. It's the same process. I just have to go inside the bin, take this path. Then after what I have to do? Basically I have to go to the same system variable and set the path. I go to the path and I edit. As you can see, for me I already have it. If you do not have it, just click new, then paste that path, then click OK. Because for me I already have it, you can cancel. So now Apache and Maven, they are set up correctly. So now you need to check if Maven had set up correctly and your system can find out the versions. You can see for me it is showing Maven is not recognized, because in some scenarios the Maven may be you cannot access using your system users. So sometimes what you can do, because either you can try using as admin users. So basically, let's see, mvn/version. You can see Apache Maven. Also, you can try to open the command line using just normal user, like my user is Samal. So you can just create mvn/version. You can see I can find it. So basically, now Java and Maven, both they are set up. So thank you for watching my video. I'm going to put this all the details in my description, and in future I'll be bringing many different nice videos like about CI/CD pipelines, Jenkins, Linux, Java, whatever you're looking for, you're gonna get it here. So if you want to follow me, please subscribe my channel. If you have a question, please put it in the comments. I'll be always there to reply you. So my motive is to share knowledge and educate our people. So thank you so much. Have a great day and take care.